Hello. In this video we're going to do an origami based problem, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of paper, do some folds, and then we're going to have to find all the angles without any aids. This is one of my favorite problems, and one of the reasons is that I've given this problem to both PhD physicists as well as grade 7 students, and it's more often that the grade 7 student will get the solution faster than the PhD student. Anyways, so let's dive in, shall we? So we have a square piece of paper here. You'll notice mine is green on one side, white on the other. And the first step we want to do is we want to take this piece of paper and we want to fold it in half. Now don't rush this, take your time, because you want to try and make your folds as exact as possible. And once you fold it in half, you're going to do a nice sharp crease there. And then you're going to unfold it. So now, once it's unfolded, you can actually take out a pen. I'm going to use a thicker marker so it's easier to see, and you can actually draw in that line there. So there's our first line there. Okay. Again, I'd recommend a thinner pen. I'm using a marker so that's easier for you to see in the video. The next step is you're going to take the bottom right-hand corner and you're going to move it so that it's on that center line. Now, don't make a crease quite yet. You have to adjust it just ever so slightly so that you line up. You get just right to line up with the bottom left-hand corner, and then you make your crease. Now, this is a tricky crease to make, and often students won't make it exactly, and that's okay. But one thing to remember is that for the purpose of this exercise, imagine that this comes to a perfect point here. The next step is you're going to take the top left-hand corner and you're going to fold it in so that it goes to the same spot where the bottom right-hand corner was. And we're going to kind of just put a crease there, and then you're going to make a nice sharp crease right there. That's just right. There we go. So now you'll notice you have this white triangle there. So what you do is you take that and you fold it over nice and snug and make another nice sharp crease. And what you should end up with is a triangle. So the last step is you unfold everything. So we unfold it all, and what you'll see creased on there is a triangle. And this is where you can get your pen, and you're going to take a second, and I'd recommend using a ruler here. And what you're going to do is you're going to trace out that triangle. Keep this coming down. And then we're going to come across. And here's the problem. What you're going to do in this problem is you're going to find every angle without using any measuring device. So no protractors, no rulers. And that's all this problem is. So you're going to tell me what all the angles are. The angle here, here, here. Okay? Here, here, here. Okay, any angle on this you need to figure out. And in our next couple of videos, we're going to use this to explore some interesting concepts in mathematics. Good luck. Be sure to share this one with your friends. It's always fun having people work their way through this one, and sometimes trying it with someone is really helpful.